Okay, let's see here. Okay, I can sort of see your introduction here. Okay, that's good. Background. Okay, you have the title there. That's good. Introduction, background, determines skeletal disorders. Good. Size of. Okay, good. Reason, measuring AF size necessary for all newborn infants. True. I think you're missing some subtle point here between these ideas and the AF size and full-term Arab neonates. Why Arab? Yeah, you need to mention something about the racial differences here. Yeah, that's a small point, but a bridge between why they're determining AF size and why in Arab babies. Okay, good. Methods and material, 200, good. Okay, this could also be said a different way, that the 38 to 41 weeks could be full-term neonate, okay, as opposed to just the weeks. Period of time, good. Place, good. Excellent. Procedures. Okay, I'm not sure about the procedures here. Authors follow babies on regular working time. Okay, what does that mean exactly? Collect data, measure AF size. Okay, again, this is a detail that we might read about in the actual paper. Okay, results, AF size, separate, good. Okay, so this is what we're after, the separate averages. Okay, you have the range here, but you don't have the averages here. You should really have the averages here, okay? Hopefully you included that in the write-up. Discussion, conclusion, problems, tracing AF margins through thick hair. Okay, good. That is a problem. Okay, significant findings. Separate AF size standards for both genders. Good. Excellent. A comparative size for Arab babies is similar to white infants. Okay, similar but different. Yes. Recommended accurate assessment. Okay, very good. Okay, so we seem to have all the points. I'm a little concerned that you don't have the averages in your write-up, but let's just see what you did here. Okay, I'm going to zoom in because I can't see it. Okay, anterior frontal size. Okay, good title. Thank you very much. Anterior frontal size is different from one baby to another. True. Okay, but you should have said something about a standard here. Previous studies have suggested that doctors can determine skeletal morphal disorders by knowledge of difference in AF size. Normal AF size can be helpful for the examination. Okay, you're saying the same thing in these three sentences, but you've sort of stated it a little strangely here, because yes, it's different from baby to baby, but it's also, there's a standard size, and those standard size, if the baby is not that standard size, then there might be a problem. Okay, so you're basically saying the same thing in three sentences here. We could condense this to one sentence and then add a sentence about the different AF size depending on the race of the baby. Okay, this study aims to make standard for AF size and full-term Arab neonates. Good. Okay, the study sample were 100 males, 100 females. Their age range from 48. Okay. Born at Jumeirah Maternity Hospital in Libya. Good. Okay, authors. Okay, authors followed the babies? Really? I don't remember reading that. I think you said that in the first study, so I think you were assuming this is true in this study, okay? They didn't follow the babies. They just measured them, right? The AF size was measured, and it doesn't say by whom. Doesn't say it was the authors. It could have been different doctors. We don't know, right? Regular working time and measured AF size by fresh paper tapes. Okay, this is a detail that we don't really need to mention, okay? How, standard, you could just say a standard technique was used, okay? The results showed that the average of AF size is 2.7. Okay, this is an optional number because really we're talking about the gender differences here. Okay, so you have the average size here, but then when you talk about the gender differences, moreover, separate standards for AF size were established for both genders. Boys, okay, you're not talking about, this is the range. That's different than this 2.74 number, you see. So you have the range here. You should have had the average. Okay, tracing AF size merges through thick hair. Okay, irregular word difficult. Okay, good. That's fine. That's a good point. Okay, these results indicate separate AF size for standards for not included in the previous study. Okay, what wasn't included in the previous study? The gender differences. I think you missed a key point here, okay? Based on these findings, it is recommended doctors should do accurate assessment of AF size and were appropriate techniques. Okay, very good. This is all good, but you need to highlight the gender differences, and you need to have the number here. You'd lose probably 1 full mark for not having the correct results there. But other than that, very good. Okay, and a little problem with your introduction as well. Okay, but very good job.